To set screen lock methods on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, scroll down and go into the security and privacy, and as you are here, you will have to scroll down again until you find this device unlock. Let's go in there and go for the screen lock. It is available right here. Go for the screen lock, and now you have to verify yourself that it is you, so with your current screen lock in case if you have it, and now you are able to set any lock screen methods. There are 5 methods actually. The no method actually to lock your screen to secure your phone. The swipe method, which will basically just, as you are in the lock screen, you will just have to swipe and it will unlock your phone. And these 3, the rest of these are the pattern, pin and password. So before actually accessing your phone, you'll have to insert the pin or password or the pattern. So from now, simply select any of these methods which you'd like. I will select the pattern again, and here I have to set a pattern which you'd like to use. So let's set this one, for example. Press next and confirm this pattern. Press OK, and now we have changed our pattern, or you, for example, just did set your password or pin, whatever. So that's basically how you can do this.